Purchase offer is a formal agreement from a buyer to a seller who is offering to buy their property. So purchase offer usually contains the purchase price, that's the price you're willing to pay for the property. Then the deposit money, that's the earnest money deposit, which is usually about 1 to 3% of your purchase price. This amount will be due once the purchase offer has been accepted. So this amount actually will be refundable, which will be applicable to your closing cost or your down payment once you are proceeding with the sale. So once your property gets under contract, it's not the final day. The sale has not been finalized because there are contingencies in your offer which has to be met before closing. The next one is the financial terms, that is financial details. Are you going to be financing this the purchase price? How much part of it is going to be coming from your savings, and how much part of the purchase price is going to be from the mortgage? So how much down payment, how much is your loan, and when is your closing date that is there, and what are the contingencies, the conditions that have to be met before closing. Also will be the details of inclusions and exclusions. That is usually when you are buying a house, appliances like dryer, washer, oven, refrigerator, all those things will be a part of the sale. So seller will include these also to be conveyed along with the house. That also will be agreed in this contract.